Hi, I'm Bianca and my project was on natural selection. The theory of natural selection was created by a man named Charles Darwin. In 1831, Darwin started his 5-year voyage on the HMS Beagle. During this voyage, he traveled to the Galapagos Islands. While he was there, he noticed that there were many variations among animals that were all part of the same species. This example shows variations among finches from the Galapagos Islands. Darwin didn't pay much attention to the variations until he was already back home. Then he decided to take note of this guy's work. His name's John Gould. This led to his hypothesis that new species could appear gradually through small changes to ancestral species. To get a better understanding of his theory, Darwin went and talked to some pigeon breeders. He learned that the breeders sometimes bred pigeons with more exaggerated traits, like for example the fantail. This caused the pigeons without fantails to become less common. This is called artificial breeding. But Darwin noticed that this procedure also happened in nature, which is why it's called natural selection. Natural selection proves that species that are more equipped to live in their surroundings will be more likely to live long enough to reproduce and pass down their traits. In this picture, you can see how the green beetles do not blend in as well with the brown beetles with their surroundings. So they are more likely to be eaten and less likely to reproduce. This is natural selection. Darwin had 4 principles to his theory of natural selection. The first one being that individuals show differences in a population. In this picture, you can see that we're all the same species, but we all look different. The second was that the traits can be passed down from parents to the offspring, like you can see in this picture of a really cute ape family. The third principle is that organisms can survive on available resources. This man in the picture is relying on his crops. The fourth and final principle was that variations that give a greater chance of survival will be passed down to future generations. This is my project on natural selection.